Hello students, today we are going to start with a new chapter. This is chapter 4. The name of the chapter is numbers up to 1000. Before we start with this chapter, I would like to tell you that this chapter you can tell it a repetition of chapter 1. In chapter 1 we have done numbers up to 200 and this is number up to 1000. There are almost same type of things in this chapter also. So those who have understood chapter 1 very nicely, chapter 4 will be a very easy thing for you. Just the numbers that we are going to work with a little bigger number. Here the numbers are above 200 and everything is almost same. So let's start with this let's go exercise. In the let's go exercise, you can see that Mr. Vaveja is an art teacher. He is organizing a drawing competition in school. For competition, he needs the following materials. You can see pictures of some drawing materials given. Drawing sheets 200, 50 boxes of crayons and 100 pencils. And below that some questions follows. Which of these is most in number? So this is 200, this is 50 and this is 100. Simply this is just comparison of numbers. You have to compare the numbers 200, 50 and 100 which is bigger, and you have to mention here that which item is used in most in numbers, which is the item that is used in maximum quantity. Next one is which of these is least in number. Least in number means lowest in number, the number that is smallest. 250 and 100. Drawing sheets are used 200. There are 50 crayon boxes and 100 pencil. So the lowest in number, the minimum number, the smallest number is which one? You will find out and you will write the answer in the blank given. You will do this as your homework. Page 59 is also given as homework. Today in the live class also I have told students to mark HW as homework. This is same thing that we have done in chapter 1. Pictures of blocks are given. You have to count the blocks. These sky blue one are blocks of 100. These tall one are blocks of tens and these single ones are blocks of ones. Count the blocks and write the number in the white box. This is page 64. Page 64 is also given as homework in today's class. It is marked here HW. So same thing, you have to just count the blocks and write the numbers. In today's class we have done page 65. Page 65 is marked as CW here. It was done in class. So you can see here students, on top of the book, on top of the page, an example is given. 4, 3, 5. This 5 is in the place of ones, 3 is in the place of tens and 4 in the place of 100. So 5 is 5. The place value of 5 is 5. We can write it as 5 ones. Place value of 3 here is 30. 30 means 3 tens. And place value of 4 is 400. That is 4 hundreds. So this number 50, 30 and 4, if we write the values in the place, we get 5. 30 when written under the tens column, we will write here 3 because here ones value is 0. 400 when written in the hundreds column, we will write here 4 because in the tens place and in the ones place the value is 0. Using this process, you will have to find out the number from the expanded form. The expanded form is given. You will find the number. No need to add up. Don't add up the numbers manually. Don't write 100 plus 300 plus 5. What I will ask you to do is start it from the right hand side. Start writing the numbers from the ones place. Here the ones number is 5. So on the right hand side, write here 5. The tens number is, the tens value is 13. So in the tens place, write 3. Here the ones place is 0. So no need to write anything in the ones place. For the ones place we have written here 5 already. And the next one is 100. So in place of 100, write here 1. And we get the number 135. This is very simple. Just the expanded form is given. You have to compact it. Start writing it from the ones place. It will be very easy for you to do. In the same way, you will do the other one also. Next one is write the expanded form of these numbers. This expanded form we have already done this, students. In chapter 1 several times we have done it. Just the only difference is here the numbers are little bigger. Say it is 990. So you will write 900 plus 9090. The ones digit is 0. So if you want you can write it. If you want you can skip it also. This page was done in class today. And after doing this page 65, we have also done page 66. This is page 66. I will explain you how you have to do this. The first question is read the numbers and write the number names. So here some numbers are given. In the blanks given at the right side, you have to write the number names. These are also very simple things that you have done earlier. Just the numbers are bigger. This is 205, that is 205. 343, that is 343. And so on, you will do this. Number 2, read the number names and write the numbers. So here the number names are given. In the yellow boxes given on the right side, you just have to write the numbers. The first one I have done for you. The number name reads 275. So for 200, write 1 2. For 70, write here 7 and then 5. This way we'll do it. Number 3. Write the missing numbers. 521, 522, 523. The pattern here is plus 1. 521 plus 1, 522. 522 plus 1, 523. 523 plus 1, the number that you will get, you will write here. And so on, you will fill the other blanks. The second one I have given a star mark over here because this one is backward counting. We have already done the chapter subtraction. So the pattern followed here is minus 1. As in this one we have done plus 1 to get the next number. In this second one we have to do minus 1. 1000 minus 1 is 999. 999 minus 1 is 998. So we are moving back. This is backward counting. This is reverse counting. 998, then minus 1, 997. And so on, we will move on. The other two are again plus 1. 89 plus 1, 90. 790 plus 1, 791. We will be able to do this. Number 4. Write the place value of the underlined digits. Numbers are given here. The first one is already done in the book. 253. 3 is underlined. So the place value of 3 is 3 ones. And it is written here 3. The value is 3. In the next one, 4 is underlined. So the place value of 4 is 4 hundreds. Make sure, children, you write here hundreds. HUNDREDS. And the value of 400 is 400. The next one you will do it yourself. Next day I will give the answers. Try to do this yourself. Thank you, students.